So proteins are what genes specify in your genome, but they're long strings of amino acids. The clever thing is that they fold themselves up into a unique three-dimensional shape, and that's what protein folding is. Protein folding is important because if you don't know the structure of a protein, you don't know what it does. Of course, things like drug development, you need to work out which proteins to interact with, which means you need to know what those proteins do, and you need to know their shape to design molecules that might interact and might block proteins that carry out particular functions in your body. So it has huge implications for almost everything across biology.
AlphaFold is artificial intelligence applied to the problem of protein folding. So with AlphaFold, we're going to be able to take the sequence of a protein and directly know the fold of the protein. So before AI, we had to do it with using synchrotrons, electrons, and a lot of experimental effort.
It's like the genome was encrypted. We can see where the genes are, we can read their sequence, but we can't work out what the shapes are unless we do a whole separate experimental process, one protein at a time. In many ways, not having the protein folding problem solved has been a block for the whole of biology.
AI has really allowed us to recognize the pattern and sequences in a way that the human mind really can't do.
The structures are so good, the predictions coming out of AlphaFold, that they're essentially indistinguishable from experimental structures in nearly all cases.
So coronaviruses are of course made of proteins, and one of the things that AlphaFold will help us do is understand the fold of the viral proteins. By understanding the shape, not only do we understand how they work, we can also understand how to inhibit them or target them, and that will drive new medicines. It really is a paradigm shift in the current technology.